Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a website chatbot in Landbot in 2026. If you want to capture leads, answer questions, and automate customer support directly on your website, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and log into your Landbot account. Next, go to your dashboard and click on Create New Bot. Now select Website Chatbot as your bot type. Next, choose a template or start from scratch depending on your preference. Now you will enter the Chatbot Builder where you can design your conversation flow. Next, add a welcome message that appears when visitors land on your website. Now create your first questions such as name, email, or what the user is looking for. Next, use buttons, quick replies, and input fields to guide users through the conversation. Now set up different paths based on user responses to make the chatbot interactive and smart. Next, go to the Embed section and copy the chatbot installation code. Now paste the code into your website's HTML or use your website builder integration. Finally, test your website chatbot to make sure it loads correctly and responds to users. And that's it. You've successfully created a website chatbot in Landbot. Your site is now ready to engage visitors automatically and collect leads. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.